Assalamu alaikum dear student, hopefully you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Dear student, today I will discuss about exercise 2.1 of your general math. First of all, I will discuss about the definition of set. So all of you welcome to my video class. What do you mean by set? The definition of set. A set is a well defined in mathematics. In mathematics, a set is a well defined collection of objects distinct objects of real or imaginary world. For example, the set of three numbers the set of three numbers 2, 4, 6, which can be denoted by A equal to 2, 4, 6. Here 2, 4, 6 are the element of set A separated by comma inside the second parenthesis. My dear student, now I will discuss about different kinds of set. Number one, basically there are two kinds of set. One is finite set and second is infinite set. Finite set, the number of elements of a set which can be determined by counting is called finite set. The example of finite set D equal to 1, 2, 3. Here we see that there are 3 elements of set D. So number of element D equal to 3. So this is finite set. Infinite set, the number of elements of a set which cannot be determined by counting is called infinite set. The example of infinite set D equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot infinity, we cannot determine the fixed number of element D. So it is infinite set. Definition of empty set: if a set does not have any element, the set is said to be empty set. It's denoted by phi or this symbol. Example, A equal to x is in natural number such that 10 is less than x is less than 11. So we are see that there have no element in this set, so it's a empty set. Definition of subset: all the sets that can be formed from a set are called subset of the original set. Subset is denoted by this symbol. For example of subset, let A equal to AB is a set. So the subset of AR, so the subset of AR the subset, so the subset of A are this. Here empty set is the another element of A, and AB are the subset of A. So AB and empty set are the subset of the original set this. Definition of proper subset: of the subsets constructed from a set, the ones that have larger number of elements than the original set is called proper subset. The definition example of proper subset: let A equal to AB is a set. So the proper subset of A are the proper subset of A are the proper subset of A are A, B and empty set. Here empty set is the another element of A and B are the proper subset of A. So A, B and empty set are the proper subset of the original set A. The definition of power set: the set of all subset of A is called the power set and it's expressed as P of A. Let A equal to AB is a set. So the power set of A is P of A equal to the subset of A. So A, B, AB and empty set. Here we see that there are two elements of set A, so the number of P of A equal to 2 to the power n. Here n is, here n, so here n is 2. Here we see that there are two elements of A, so the number of n is 2. This equal to 4. So we are see that the P of A's element is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of P of A equal to 4. Method for expressing set. Sets can be expressed by using two methods. One is tabular method, second is set builder method. What is tabular method? Tabular method means listed value. For example, x equal to A equal to x, y, z. Here is listed element. This is tabular method. And set builder method, example, A equal to x is a, x has that x is a natural number. Natural number. So if we converted this example into tabular method, then we can write as A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot infinity. This is the set of natural number set. Express the following set in set tabular method. Problem 1 of A: x belongs to n such that x square is greater than 9 and x cube is less than 130. Here we see that number square is greater than 9 and cube is less than 130. Now we shall find the required set from the natural number according to the condition by using set tabular method. Now I will solve this problem according to this condition by using set tabular method. Look, given that the natural number n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot infinity. Here we see that number which square is greater than 9 and cube is less than 130. Now if we put x equal to 1, then according to this condition 1 square equal to 1 is not greater than 9 and 1 cube equal to 1 is less than 130. If x equal to 2, then 2 square equal to 2 is not greater than 9 and 2 cube equal to 8 is less than 130. If x equal to 3, then 3 square equal to 9 is not greater than 9 and 3 cube equal to 27 is less than 130. If x equal to 4, then 4 square equal to 16 is greater than 9 and 4 cube equal to 64 is less than 130. If x equal to 5, then 5 square equal to 20, 5 is greater than 9 and 5 cube equal to 125 is less than 130. Again, if x equal to 6, then 6 square equal to 36 is greater than 9 and 6 cube equal to 216 is not less than 130. So we see that if x equal to 4 and x equal to 5, then the condition will be satisfied for this condition. So we can write, if x equal to 4 and 5, then the condition will be satisfied. So the required set is set equal to 4 and 5. This is answer of this question. One of C, x is a natural number such that x is the factors of 36 and x is a multiple of 6. The finding procedures of factors 36 is, if we multiply 1 into 36, the output value is 36. If we multiply 2 into 18, then the output value is 36. 3 into 12 equal to 36, 4 into 9 equal to 36, and 6 into 6 equal to 36. So we can write the factors of 36 are the factors of 36, the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So and x is a multiple of 6. X is a multiple of 6, and the multiple of 6 are, and the multiple of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 54 ... Now let A equal to the set of the factors of 36. The set of the factors of 36, and B equal to the set of the multiple of 6. The set of the multiple of 6. Now we can write A equal to 1, 18 and 36, and B equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, etc. Now here we see that x is the factors of 36 and x is a multiple of 6. So here and is the intersection set. So here the intersection set between A and B is A intersection B equal to, here we see that the common value of set A and B between set A and B is 6. Here is 6. So we take 6, and we see that the common value 12 and 12. So we take 12, and 18 and 18. So we can write 18, and the common element set A and B is 36 and 36. So we can write 36. So A intersection B equal to 6, 12, 18 and 36. Here the required set according to this condition. This is the answer of this question. I will solve problem 1, 2 of A. Let A equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Dear student, look, here we see that the set of A are the set of element A are odd natural numbers which is greater than 1 and less than 13. So we can write the element of A, the elements of A are the set of all odd natural number which is greater than 1 and less than 13. So now according to the set builder notation, we can write A equal to x is in natural number such that odd number and is less than x is less than 36. This is answer. Solution of problem 2 of C. Let A equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Here we see that elements of A, the elements of A are the set of all even numbers multiple of 4 or equal to 40. So we can write according to set builders method. By set builders method, we can write as A equal to x is in natural numbers which is even numbers. X is x multiple of 4 such that x multiple of 4 or equal to and x is less than or equal 40.